Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Japan continues to bake amid scorching heat wave. The intense heat wave in Japan shows no signs of abating, with the mercury in Kyushu nearing 40 degrees Celsius on Monday, the weather forecast showed. Wide areas of the western and eastern Japan are expected to experience temperatures exceeding 35 degrees Celsius during the day, triggering heat stroke alerts in 37 prefectures. With the heat persisting through the night, daytime temperatures on Monday were forecast to reach dangerously high levels, with the Kurume in the Fukuoka expecting a maximum of 39 degrees Celsius and Saga and Kumamoto predicting highs of 38. Tokyo is set to experience 35 degrees Celsius, making its first extreme heat day in 4 days, while Nagoya is bracing for its 11th consecutive day of temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. The heat stress index reached the level red in most parts of the country, representing the highest level of the heat stroke risk on the country's 5-tier system, official data showed. And this index, which measures heat stroke risk, takes into account temperature, humidity and sunlight intensity as one of the empirical indices representing the heat stress to which an individual is exposed. Authorities have advised residents to stay indoors in cool environments and plan summer activities that minimize the exposure to the heat. Residents are urged to take heat stroke precautions seriously and adjust their plans accordingly to ensure safety during this severe heat wave. And that's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.